How to download MP3 songs from Google Chrome. First of all, you need to open the Google Chrome application and go to this website. After that, on packageout.com, you need to scroll these options to the left side and then click on music from here. As soon as you click on music, here you can search for virtually any music of your personal choice, allowing you to explore and enjoy a vast array of selections. For example, if I search for good morning music here, you can see that all the songs related to good morning available on Package Out have now appeared here. Now, for example, if you just want to listen to the song and don't want to download it, you can click here and the song will start playing from here. And if you've listened to the song and you like it and now you want to download it, then you need to click on this download option in front of the song. As soon as you click on it, after a short while, your song will start downloading in MP3 format. You can also see it here. So this is how you can download MP3 songs. You can download them on Google Chrome as well. So that was today's video. I hope you liked it. If you did, please like this video, subscribe to our channel, and don't forget to press the bell icon.